Hello guys, it's Demo here, and today we're gonna talk about motor and overdrive gear combinations for Scx24s. So, should we get the 050 66 turn motor or the 50 turn motor? Also, should we choose the 14 turn overdrive gear or the 13 turn overdrive gear? And also, which motor should we choose for which gear? Let's have a look. The car I'm gonna use today is my LCG deadbolt. First, we're going to look at steering. Steering wise, we're going to check two types of steering, the regular turn and I used to call it handbrake turn, when you are keep pressing the throttle repeatedly. Let's look at the results. Without overdrive gear, a regular turn results in 75 centimeters and the handbrake turn in 63 centimeters. With 14 turn overdrive gear, the normal turn went down 4 cm to 71 and the handbrake turn down to 59. Let's see the 13 turn now. As you can see, it's pulling the rear and the front is just turning in the turn, which is very good, resulted in 66 centimeters. With the handbrake mode, it went down to 58. I have to mention that this result is based on this current build. With a wider track you might have a different result with steering. As a summary, it is clearly visible that with overdrive gears it is possible to achieve like 10-15% better steering angle. Now let's see the 13 turn overdrive gear on rocks. So, final thoughts on which motor to use with which overdrive gear. I would say if you run a car with the specs similar to the one I mentioned, you are more than fine with the 66 turn motor. It doesn't matter if you use the 13 turn overdrive gear or the 14 turn. But if you go heavier or you will use a taller tire, I would recommend using the 50 turn motor to make sure you have enough torque all the time. And which overdrive gear to use for what? Based on my experience, I've used the 14 turn for light trial competitions, and to run like a flat gecko, I will use the 13 turn for sure. Thanks for watching guys, have fun and stay tuned for the next video, which is gonna be some hilltop gate practice with my friend. Keep crawling fellas!